Correctional officers ensure the security and safety of our nation's correctional facilities at the local, state, and federal levels. They are the men and women responsible for guarding people who have been arrested or who have been convicted of a crime and sentenced to serve time in a correctional institution. Duties include supervising inmate activities and maintaining good order, searching prisoners in their cells for weapons, drugs, and other items that may be forbidden, and occasionally breaking up fights between prisoners. Officers must even be prepared to respond to riots or hostage situations. Strength, good judgment, and the ability to think and act quickly are indispensable, while strength of character may be the most important personal trait of all. Correctional officers have a great deal of power over the lives of inmates, so they must have the ability to be firm and fair at all times. A prison environment can be stressful and demanding. Nevertheless, with integrity, communication skills, and the ability to keep pressure situations under control, correctional officers will continue to be key to the effective operation of our nation's prison system.